Hey guys, I was researching on how you can fix the issue if you don't have enough memory for the stable diffusion, what you can actually try to do. So now there was the person right here like runtime error, not enough memory, use low resolution. And this guy wrote here, make sure you have a low RAM argument in your web user bed file. So this is the first thing you can try. Or try to use a smaller batch size when generating images if you're not at one already. Or drop A1111, join the dark side and install Comfy UI. For low-end GPUs like yours, pretty much the only reasonable choice. So also, they just want to do the low RAM command line argument. I just want to make this quick video. Maybe it's going to like help you actually fix the issue. If not, and if it was useless, I'm sorry. This is something I found that possibly can actually do it for you. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.